So I'm going to talk for a minute about how we're powering this little electronic device that we made. We've got a battery pack that's meant for recharging cell phones, a USB connector, and the way I've connected this cable to this electronic device is what I want to talk about. We've created a 3D printed case for this kind of a power connector. What I've done is just soldered 2 wires onto it. It receives a USB plug, and then I 3D printed a case for this with a lid that I can glue on top. I will put a link to the 2 blueprint files, the STL files, for this little case in the description of this video. Here's what the connector looks like on AliExpress. Notice that this shows shipping of $5.52. Sometimes you can find these items with free shipping if you buy $10 or more. This also comes in a version like this, and it's marked on the corner pins, ground and voltage. That's how I knew where to solder these 2 wires. There are other ways to power these electronic kits. And your Microbit, you can power it with a battery, but you have to be able to recharge the battery if it's a rechargeable LiPo like this one. And I've been using this Adafruit feather as a recharger, but that costs money. It's got this recharger port, so I can plug this in and then plug USB power into the board and then recharge the battery. That kind of complicates everything. If I can use a USB connector like this, something that's that simple and that cheap. And now I'm just showing how to 3D print a case for it. If you have a 3D printer, you know somebody who has one, I'll put the STL files in the description of this video, so you can download them. You won't have to design it yourself. What I actually did to design this is I just went to Tinkercad, made a cube, flattened it a little bit, and then made a whole cube and pulled it down in. And then it's just a simple matter of merging these, and you can see that it made a box. So there'll be more about this.